Yep, it's actually what you think it is, an affordable dresser with an integrated LED display shelf. So how do we get there from this? It was kind of like Legos. Follow the instructions step by step. We began by unpacking all of the pieces to make sure everything was there. Then we built. Here we're mounting the LED strip on the underside of their top so that we could then test it out and play with all the super fun colors. Final steps were assembling all of the drawers and installing them, and of course, setting it up. My daughter's favorite part is the app that you can easily download so that you can adjust many features. You can select literally any color from the rainbow and also adjust to set to music, to set brightness, to set schedules. Tons of fun in this one. And the end result, customizable storage that's both functional and beautiful. That combination of white with the black hardware and the black accents, that display shelf, she is thrilled. And the LED light, it is hidden underneath the top. It plugs into a USB and away you go. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. My daughter is thrilled. This was an afternoon project that we laughed and did together. If you're searching for an affordable DIY that combines form with function and that pop of fun, definitely recommend you checking this one out.